Hello there, it's day 6 of Vlogmas. I am in my proper winter woolies today, with my first ever knitted jumper today, and Christmas trousers. I know they're just red check, but they are Christmas trousers. I'm unpicking a zip at the moment, and oh my gosh, I have to just talk about this. So the amount of clients that come in and they're like, yeah, you can just do this, right? It's a quick job. You just unpick the zip and redo it. And I'm like, yeah, but you don't realise that on a coat like this, there's 3 lines of thread running through it, because there's the attaching it to the top fabric, then attaching it to the, I've forgotten all the words of things, flap. And also, but honestly, like, so I've unpicked all this side and I'm like, yay, oh no, still got 2 more to go. And so that does take, like, well, either I'm a really slow unpicker or someone else can agree with me that that in itself is like a good hour, if not probably even 2 hours of just unpicking a zip before we've even got to the replacing zip bit. I have had a few customers who've really given me quite a look when I've said that's going to be about £30–35, which is actually incredibly cheap for someone to work 2 hours on unpicking your jacket and then also putting the zip in. So nearly a 2.5 hour job basically. But yeah, sorry, I just thought someone was coming in. But yeah, I just got someone come and go, how much? I could get a new jacket. And I'm like, well, yeah, you can. Yeah. That's fine, but then you're throwing more things into waste. But yeah, so I'm sure there's going to be other seamstresses watching going, oh yeah, tell me about it. But I do try and really explain to them, and then they go, oh right, oh okay. Yeah, sorry, there was a customer. Yeah, I do try and explain it to them, because I think it's really important that people do realise actually that seamstresses, it's not just a simple job. So yes, I feel like quite a lot of my job here is explaining to the customers in a very nice way that, yeah, the job that they're asking us to do is not just a quick fix, just a quick thing. Because I seem to just hear that constantly, like, you can do this, right? It's just a quick thing. I'm like, no, it's not. Even really small sewing jobs, you've still got to thread the sewing machine and get everything ready and do all the measuring and do all the prep and everything. Every single sewing job, I don't think I've done a single one that would take less than half an hour for the tiniest job. So yeah, anyway, that's my seamstress rant over. Deja vu. Yummy. Okay guys, I'm finished for the week. Yay, finished work. I'm gonna go and pick up Bee. She's been at after school club because I finished late on a Wednesday. So it's already pretty dark and I like to get out as quickly as possible, so I'll stop chatting because I'm not good at night driving. The moment it gets dark, I'm like, I can't see. So that's terrifying. Okay, I will speak to you later when I'm in warm, cozy home time again. Bye. My darling, it is time for Advent! Go on, what number are we on today? That was yesterday. Yesterday was 5. So today, yeah, very good.
6.
Yeah! Go on, shall we have a look? Oh, which way are you going? That way, okay. Okay, you ready, Snugglebug? The 6th of December. Go to where you wash your hands. You'll have to climb the stool, for there you'll find a mum with a pram, with a baby in and all. What? Who's that? Oh. Right, should we go play with them?
Yeah.
Come on then, darling.
Do you know?
Go on. camera's there. So if you're showing something, go like that. So show the mummy as well, so you can show what you got today. A mummy and a baby and a pram all dropped on the floor. Wow.
What if I never could have my blanket? Mummy, let's play.
Okay, let's play. Hey guys, okay, so it's about 9:30. B has been long asleep since about 8 o'clock, which is great. And I have just been replying to some messages. I'm getting better. And yeah, just trying to start the editing process so I can get an early night, because I am pretty exhausted actually. I have definitely been burning the candle at both ends, because I've been going to bed about 1:30, yeah, 1:30 both the last 2 nights. So I need to buck up my ideas and do this a bit earlier, because I'm so excited about painting tomorrow and nothing is going to stand in my way. So I need to have an early night and yeah, be ready, fresh and ready after dropping B off. Got a blood test, and then I can start painting. Yay! Anyway, guys, I'm going to say goodnight to you now. I love you all. Take care. Bye.
I just wanna make